Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to convert an image to custom shapes. So let's open Canva. Let's choose our size. And let's go to Pictures, Elements, and here write Sportsman. From Photos, scroll down. You can choose any of them. I will choose this one. Make it bigger. And let's remove the background. Like this one. And let's go to edit an image. Let's go to Duotone, Cherry. Change the colors to red. Like this one. So let's duplicate this page. Again, go to edit an image. Duotone, let's change the colors to white. And go to edit shadows, outline. Change the black color to red and change the size as you want. So these are the results. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.